Hello everyone, I am Ron Sawandat. I am the third speaker and my point is enhance human ability, brain-computer interface. Companies like Neuralink are developing BCIs that could allow AI to interface directly with the human brain, potentially augmenting or even replacing certain cognitive functions. And for the evidence, Neuralink, a company founded by Elon Musk, is developing brain-computer interface that could potentially enable direct communication between the human brain and computer. This technology aims to enhance cognitive ability and may allow AI to augment or replace certain brain functions. For the example, BCIs are already being tested to help paralyzed individuals control prosthetic limb or computer goals with their tool, showing the potential for AI to integrate closely with human ability. Now let's move to Visa.
To sum up, our team strongly believes that 100% AI will replace humanity because of these three strong main points such as first, automation of jobs, second, healthcare innovation, and the last is enhanced human abilities.